It's Friday. It's Friday. So I'm getting ready to go to work. Today is the last day of the summer program. Clearly, I'm really excited. And my braid out fell, and there were hardly any curls left, so I decided to set my hair overnight for a perm rod set, and I am unconvinced that they are dry all the way through. I'm pretty sure they're not dry all the way through because of how thick my hair is, but this is how they're looking right now. I also have a conference next week, and I'm planning to go out with Jalil this weekend to Cleveland, so I just wanted my hair to have a little bump to be cute. I did not give the style enough time to set, so I bet that they're gonna fall flat. But I have exactly 30 minutes before I need to report to my next meeting, so I'm gonna dry my hair and get back to you all for a takedown. They're actually coming out. Oh, I spoke too soon. Definitely spoke too soon. Yeah, they're falling. I'll try again tonight when we get to the hotel in Cleveland so that tomorrow this style will actually be proper. But today they're gonna get what they get. And it's like half decent and half frumpy. I think if I had just spritzed my locks before I set these, that they would have come out okay, but I did a whole wash. Oh, hey guys, meet my two-headed dragon. It's new. She's new. I have two of them now. They needed to be two-headed dragons. Some of my locks have been thinning at the root, and it's the locks that I separated in the beginning. I know that if I had got the 80 locks that I had started with, I would not have this current thinning problem that I have. Especially now that I'm retwisting more frequently, I think the root of my locks are more susceptible to thinning. Don't you hate when that happens? Like, alright, so I'm done pulling out these perm rods. These are the final curls. I'm gonna step outside into the sunshine so that you can see. I actually finished a little bit earlier than I thought I would. It's 9:38 and I gave myself until 9:45. As you can hear, it's loud out here with all these insects chirping. Like I said, today we're gonna be heading to Cleveland. It's the end of the summer program. I think some of my coworkers wanted to go to happy hour today, so I'm gonna be going out. I highly doubt that I'll be filming any of that. I don't let people know that I do YouTube or that I vlog.